All right, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about how much your requests and feedback mean to us. So this app started as a simple photo booth app just for myself, but it grew because of you, your ideas, your feedback, and your suggestions. Without you, basically, we wouldn't have come this far. Along those lines, I also want to share how you can request new features and just how much we truly value your input. So if you tap on settings and scroll down, you'll see this request features button. And basically, you just need to click on it, and you'll see a dialog asking you to type in your request. And after typing in your request, just simply click on submit, and it'll be submitted. So that wasn't the point I wanted to make today. So, as an effort to make requesting features more conversational, we've designed it like a chat. So after you sending a request, we'll respond back for any clarifications, and we can continue the conversation for that specific request. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So after sending in a request, if you click on feature request status, you'll see my request here. And you'll see that it's pending. And if you click on it, you see your request sent in to us. And here, so the admin replied to your request because saying, hey, thanks for the suggestion. If you're interested in DSLR support, could you tell us which camera model you are using? We're collecting requests to decide which cameras to add first. Okay, so the reason we've made it conversational, like a chat, is because a lot of times when we get feedback or requests from you guys, it's very unclear. Not because of your problem in stating the request, but it can be very abstract, right? So for that reason, we've made this like a chat conversational, so we can ask questions back to your request. So when we reply to your request, you will get a push notification on your app. So please check your feature request status, and please do spend your time on answering our questions as well. It will really be helpful. And I'm telling you, your like input is very valuable, and we want to prioritize the tasks that you want us to finish first. And just if you have any further requests, anytime just drop a request, or if you want to talk further, you can drop an email as well.